Second Nature is a home wellness company. We are focused on providing simple solutions for homeowners in today's ever-growing and busy world. As a rapidly growing company, we focus on having cloud-first solutions. As we were continuing to grow our business, we were faced with challenges such as lack of ability to view our inventory and appropriately manage our inventory. As we've gone live, we've seen significant advances in our ability to understand and interpret our data. Our data has allowed for us to more efficiently manage our inventory plus our workforce. So a job that was taking 2 people is now only taking 1 person part of a day. It allows us to move some of our orders into a allocatable and shippable status in a quicker amount of time. It is critical to ensure that we have stock in a pickable location to ensure that our customers can receive their products on time every time. With the Oracle solution, we've been able to ensure that we can keep the floor stocked. We've also been able to provide them with more appropriate forecasts and availability reports. Our customers didn't even notice the cutover. That is efficiency, the favorite word of the day.